Just arrived at the bookstore, literally just dropped off a truckload of books for them to process and buy back for me. Only made a handful of dollars on it, but every dollar counts. So here are some of the books that we found in the bookstore. A couple decent profits there, as you can see. I kind of was going through a lull, to be honest with you, for a little bit until I stumbled upon the comic book books over here in this section, and there were some really good finds. I'm not gonna lie, there were some definite strange ones though. This book right here, this Rumble book, there was actually, I bought an entire set, and this was the one I was missing from the set, so I could have sold it as a box set, but I did not find that book until just right there. Here was a couple more decent ones, and as you can see, some of these came up actually as rejected, but there were no FBA offers at all, so I still picked them up. These are only a couple dollars a piece, and I can price those quite a bit above the merchant fulfilled pricing right there. So this store is definitely an awesome store, but I'll say this, I think if I shouted out Trump's name in there, everybody would just light their hair on fire. Gosh, so this was an interesting one that I found actually. Huge Dragon Ball fan growing up, thought about buying it for myself, but I did not pull the trigger on it. Alright guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And download the affiliate link in the comments for Scoutly.